ka motsong la uja ke tshwere Freeman ka no bolela Freeman o na le mantšunyana a mabedinyana o re nyako bolelang
dumelang bontate ra dumela
ka mola ke tshwere moshimano mongwe wa mona ka didai ke Sbuda
khotso
yeah boy, we back boy.
Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, share your thoughts. So before we begin, I just want to say something, right? If you guys have noticed, South African football is improving.
A lot.
Yeah. But is the league improving or our players getting better? Which one? Is it the league that's better or the quality of the players is better?
I like to think it's both. The league as a product is marketing itself better.
Yeah.
And the players also are helping the league with them becoming better.
Sbuda?
I'll agree with the Taban.
So you guys
I'll agree with the Taban.
Okay. So wait. So you guys are actually saying today's league is better than the previous leagues?
Yeah.
Today's players, the quality is better. Like let's just use what you call market value in a way. So you're basically saying today's players are better than the previous players.
No.
That's what I'm asking.
In terms of market value, now times are different, and
no. I mean,
people view money and everything.
I mean, in terms of, are you saying Happy Jelly's peak is worth less than Umbogazi? Are you saying Tutu Shabalala is worth more than Usimpure Shabalala? Are you saying Are you saying Ukatande or Oxy who in each
obviously
in their peak?
Remember the players we sing now, we don't know if they've reached that peak yet. We might see as in their peak, but they might go a level higher.
No, but let's not talk about something that you don't know.
Yeah.
Talk about as of today.
Can I answer that?
Yes.
So if you take the league, our league now is high. It's like on its peak. We are now getting recognition as serious.
Yeah.
And the players somehow they are now understanding what the league is now big, and we should live up to representing the league. Back in the days, the players we over mentioned, I can't say they didn't get the privilege, but they didn't take CAF serious as now. You see. So they only focused on what is happening. If I master how that striker plays for 4 years, obvious, I'm gonna look better than him because I've studied him the entire year. But now it's different because the players or the teams, they have a goal. The goal is to play CAF. The goal is to, you see, so it's different. And the way we are performing against those outside countries, it shows this is not like we actually sit down and study and we get to see how these guys play, and then we go and play better than them. So that's what I'm saying. Today's league is now far much better than.
But in terms of entertainment, right? You can say, okay, it is far in terms of money, the money it brings in, the recognition, but then is it entertaining for us? Can you view EPSL more entertaining as before?
I'd like to disagree on that. It's not really that much entertaining, and in the sense that we don't have surprises anymore.
Can I ask a question? What's your form of entertainment if you're saying entertaining?
No. I'm going to answer you. I was still saying that we don't have surprises anymore now. So like the small teams, are not as competing on the food chain, man, is not as it was. So we knew, like at the top we had Sundowns, Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, and obviously we had the Super Sports. We have the Beat West, who were like, like one season that just grabbed the championship. Another season, Super Sport would challenge for it. So we had that surprise element. Now it's no longer there, so it's just Pirates, Sundowns. But Sundowns is.
I would like to differ on that one.
But
nah.
Why? As Utabang Mutin. So what Tabang is saying basically, if you can look at it right now, there's no wild card, man.
Yeah,
we know Amazon is gonna lose to Orlando Pirates. Is gonna lose to Mamelodi Sundowns. The only team that's trying to keep this alive is Kaizer Chiefs, because teams they've
do you
been
remember-
against Kaizer Chiefs.
No, but
Do you remember how challenging Free State Stars was? Do you remember? Yeah,
Celtic, yes.
Bloemfontein.
Ajax.
Yo, bro.
yeah,
Yo.
they were just challenging down there. But
No,
they,
they were
never
giving- no, they were
tightly
giving-
contenders.
they were-
Okay.
They were never.
But even
Ajax
if they lose,
Cape
they
Town
were never
won-
tightly
won in
contenders.
MTN against Sundowns.
They were never tightly. Okay, tell me a season back then where a small team got promoted to the big division, and then that team raised and challenged the top.
like Chase Galaxy, so
TS Galaxy, Durban City, yabo. Tell me a team back then yakwenza that thing. Exactly.
also
A small team was
another
always
thing,
a small
whoa.
team there.
Nah,
Wait.
Our Amazon, they were losing
Didn't-
7 against Sundowns. Now you cannot say Amazon can lose 7. This is a lie.
No, but again, remember Amazon at that time was like,
We have ran out of
no,
that thing. Ukuthi this one is a small team.
we didn't.
No, we didn't. We
I'm
didn't.
telling you.
Nah, we
I'm
didn't.
telling
We
you.
didn't.
Okay, right now, which one is a small team?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Ashai Pirates.
cheaper.
Ashai Pirates, Marumo Gallants.
No, yes,
Yes,
true.
like it can.
But back then, I call.
No, but back then we had challenges for the league, and you knew
Like-
that certain teams.
No, there were always
Like,
great players there. If you check Ajax,
Yeah.
it produced one of the greatest players we have in the league. But there was never a time about Ajax almost won the league, or they were.
But they won a cup, though.
Yeah, Netbank, you can win it. TS Galaxy won it. But you understand, Uguti,
Exactly.
yeah, Chiefs won it.
Okay, Bafet, Now then Kurma. Let's take it back a bit, ne?
Yeah.
Because you're going to something. Tell me. Pick Pelembe versus Pick Dentley.
Yo! Pelembe
Elias
like
Pelembe.
Elias Pelembe.
Yeah.
Pelem. Pick
Oh.
versus Pick Dentley. And I so wish you guys choose different sides. I wish you guys choose different
Yeah,
sides. So I
yeah,
think
You know how
you guys think.
Pelembe.
Taban,
Yo.
Pelembe.
Hey.
don't explain good. No, Munye retired before that. Munye by the time.
Dan Cleat was something else, man. Like he was.
My friend.
Yeah. Dan Cleat was.
whoa.
And that was his kid. That kid.
Whoa.
Yeah. Dan
I'm
Cleat was
giving you
something
chance
else.
to
Nah.
reconsider what you just said.
Dan Cleat at his peak. I know Elias Pelem was crazy also.
Like, think about it.
That Elias Pelem.
Think about the Sundowns Pelem.
Yeah.
Think about the Beatles Pelem.
Not even I know it beat was
Celtic
he
Pelem.
was in at his peak.
Wait,
He
whoa.
was in
It- it is peak.
Sundowns.
I'm trying to show you what everywhere Pelem badlala.
Yeah, but like his peak,
It looked like it was his peak.
nah,
Yeah.
but his
I'm
peak,
telling you.
his peak.
Spinner, when do you think was Elias Pelembe's peak? Like, greatest season ever in the history of his career. It's the best season.
Yeah, maybe the Sundowns one. But according to me, everywhere. Pelem
I remember we just need
Yeah.
one, so we are checking that Sundowns stint as his peak.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna ask, but then I don't.
Ah.
Do you remember this season?
it was the 14-15 season, I think. Yeah,
And then an open my card. That's a shy free kick. It
yeah,
was the league winning free kick.
yeah.
So you remember the actual season in Elias Pelem?
I can't say I remember.
Can't
But
say
yeah.
remember.
Yeah.
So okay, make your cases, gentlemen. Because when you say it was
Wait,
something,
nah.
no, me, I'm what you call it? I'm gonna say what you call it, didn't play.
Yeah, I mean.
Because I used to hate that guy. So now that I'm older, it makes sense why I used to hate him, because he used to like
yeah.
play against the coast. He used to do
Yeah.
things against my club. As you say, they won the league. Like, of course,
Yeah.
it's like who can I equate to Dentley right now?
A police maybe.
Not a police. No. I can say Vincent Poole. You get not that they were in the same level,
Yeah.
but I used to hate Vincent Poole
Yeah.
because I obviously he coast. But the reason why I used to hate Poole is because of what he used to do to us.
Sure.
So Dentley now, same thing.
Yeah.
The reason why I hate Dentley is because of what he used to do to us.
Right.
But now that I'm older, I see okay, I used to hate that guy because he was cool.
Yeah.
You understand? So yeah, Dentley. over Elias, my friend.
Avumi.
Do you know why Nisho Gaj?
Yeah.
It's because with Duclet, it's only either maybe it's one season, if not two, where you can say, yes, Denclate was Denclate. But overall, Denclate was
Just
a normal player.
yeah.
A normal player. Because
With Pelembe, you can't say that.
you can't say that.
Mm.
You can't say that.
Mm.
You can't say that.
I think we just need specifics. You know, if you had specifics,
You
this
can't
would
say that
be
because
smooth sailing.
Pitvest, who hot used to sit there outside Pelem, and by then Pelem was like old.
Yeah.
Till well, what look shifter around who gave that mastermind. Wakhona ukubadlalisa bonke and everything. But uPelembe has always been
Hmm?
fire. Avaye
But-
national team.
But boy,
Mwah.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Denclate was like
It's always
he
like
was a
that.
key player.
Me-
bro,
okay, besides the Pirates,
Orlando Pirates.
besides the Pirates,
Yeah.
uDenclate bekafaka. You see my point?
Mara, he
But he played
spent more time there.
at Pirates.
And-
Yes, yeah.
Spent more time there.
yeah,
He spent
but
more
then-
time there.
But then what? He spent-
Bamsayina da wahlala as a normal player. You don't forget there was a time where you guys were seeing Tiko Modis as a better player. Bekakhona.
Yeah, but
Urahad.
no, but Urahane, that was like
Yeah,
late.
yeah,
That was
yeah.
late. That was late. Very
Yeah.
late.
Yeah,
was late.
it was always late. Umien, what dominate?
But
Bekakhona. Makola.
but so is football, man. I don't think.
Umakat came. Wafika wamshado.
Mara, Denclate was there. Denclate was always in the conversation.
Yeah, but as the second.
I think,
to someone.
but I think positions as well, man.
Second to
I think
someone.
positions as well.
You've always been second
Yeah.
to someone. Because even if you ask anyone, they will
The end of the team, kind of.
Mhm.
they will always pick someone better than him. Yes, he was good, but they will say so and so was better than him.
No, but
You understand?
but can't you argue that Denclate was holding the team? Lama player or counter, they're just one season wonders.
No, we can't.
They
say
just
it was-
come, they
Nah,
just come, they just
we
come.
can't say
It's like they all come,
Say Allen.
they all come, but they left.
Yeah.
They found him there and they left him there. What does that mean?
But he did the same now. He left.
Yeah, but
After
after how long? After how long?
Don't forget.
After how
They
long?
only remember him because badlala lapha, that's when things happened.
What?
Like that season about Shakoni League. That's
Yeah.
when Denclate was Denclate.
Smuda,
I'm telling you.
smuda.
Back then, Maubele move. He was a normal player.
Normal players would
He was a normal. I am telling you. Okay. Tell me a time. I remember when Denclate Bembiza go squad.
But can't you?
Mara,
Squad is a different case.
Yeah.
No, it's not a Bembiz. Just
Mara, are we blaming that on Denclate? He was
Let
good.
me shift to Chief Kancane. Uletso lenyana.
Yeah.
Wathola na call up. But there was Abo Shabalala who were like better than him.
Different players.
I was about to say positions.
Yeah,
Positions as well. Positions as well.
Shabalala bekadlala which position?
Shabalala was a
It
wing.
was an
Yeah,
attacking slash
attacking,
wing.
yeah.
Yeah, attacking slash
Okay.
wing.
Same.
Yeah. It's
Same.
more
But
similar.
you're when I think showed there was
Wasn't
always
it-
someone better than him.
Ah,
There was always like that one person, you know. Yes, he was good, but so and so was better.
makes sense. Point is valid.
So
You managed to defeat.
even if you ask a Kairos fan, they
Yeah.
will say, yes, Denclate was good now, but
Yeah.
he was always better than him.
Okay. But
Right.
it's okay. Smuda he has defeated us on this one. It's okay. It's okay. Even though I want to argue more, but
But we should it.
for the sake of time, we'll skip it.
The comments will help us.
Yeah. And also, guys, decide. Obviously, comment and tell us your opinion.
Yes.
Who you think is better? What's better? They're at their peak
Between,
Denclate and-
Elias Pelembe.
Yeah.
yeah.
So Smuda, actually everyone. Which team do you think was the biggest team in Mzansi in the last 10 years?
The biggest
Biggest
in the last 10 years.
in the last 10 years.
Sundown.
Last 10 years, going from
2015,
2025.
2015, 2025. biggest team in SA.
In terms of achievements or crowd.
No,
Eh,
just
everything.
Don't forget achievements make the team big.
Because if such a crowd, obviously, of course, we
Yeah.
always hit the crowd, regardless.
but
so-
like big.
Biggest team.
It's Sundowns.
It has to
Biggest
be
team.
Sundowns.
Yeah.
In terms of the achievement that they've winning
Yeah.
care and
Cup, they won.
in the last
Yeah,
10 years.
it's the
Yeah,
last 10 years.
it was also in
The way it's been so long. The way it's been so long. The CAF.
But I realized Muti is still in the last 10 years.
So, so this guy actually won CAF recently, though.
yeah.
10 years is not a long time.
Yeah,
CAF were like,
yeah.
I was seeing, I was ready to cook them with CAF, but they didn't. I was in 20 years.
So
Ah.
yeah, we can give it to Sundown.
We can't give it to Sundown.
Yeah.
So
But
is that,
but I
is
think
that, like, is this them turning the corner?
this season,
No. In terms of like now changing the perspective of the future generation
and nah,
and increasing the fan base.
no. You know the issue with teams that find Sundowns, there's only one thing that these teams are having in common. I'm going to mention these teams.
Yeah.
PSG, Man City, Mamelodi Sundowns. What do they have in common?
Oil man.
Man.
Watches.
Man. So
Yeah.
the issue with Sundowns, it's in the same category as Man City, as PSG. Because you can say it's not a team that was built in blood, sweat, and
But
tears.
that's what they're doing now, essentially.
No,
They're
because-
winning now.
No, because look at it from this perspective. Ne?
Yeah.
Yes, you are winning now, but for you to reach this point, use money that you did not acquire on your own.
I get that. I
So,
get that.
so which means the fans of Mamelodi Sundowns, whenje bathi
Plus the fans.
nama 1k, nama 2k, yini le enye ama 20k, yini nalezayo.
Those are my 1K for the longest time.
No, angithi ama 1k ama 1990s.
Oh yeah, for
And-
my ticket.
and ama
yeah,
2K,
yeah. It's
Lezayo le ama 20 abangabona World Cup.
Ama 2020.
Yeah, ama 20
Because kuna ama 2010.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Ama 2000.
Mara ama
2010, ama
2010 ama 2K.
Our
No,
point
but-
is
Five differentiator.
Yeah.
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 Ama 2010.
so fan base is Sundowns ama 2010s.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So teams like that are about 20 because
Mara, in the
Yes.
future, you will be the key fans of the team.
the thing about oil money and money basically teams are last.
I last but to gain a fan and those.
No, but
No, but I last.
Should I tell
last.
you something funny in Sundowns?
Yeah.
Sundowns are not a true fan.
I know what.
A true fan.
Same as Man City.
I know, boy.
I know.
Yeah, I know.
Every Sundowns.
Same as Man City.
Wena defende Sundowns enokhathi inwele lana
Aye.
ama-colours we-Sundowns. Not a
Sundowns
true
does
fan.
have true fans, boy.
No.
I know people boy, who,
Travis,
boy, Sundowns
No.
does have true
No.
fans.
Okay.
Just say they're not that vain or something.
Yes, yes, they're
Wow.
not
Yeah,
that they're not that
they don't
mean.
have.
Okay.
Don't say they
10
don't
years
have.
back, bekasupportana.
Yo, ni Sundowns.
Bashifte
Ah,
ababhaya
Joe,
bashifte from
Sundowns.
Yeah.
Chiefs. Like uyasibona no, I don't
Yes, yes.
kunabanye
Bashifte from
vele,
Pirates.
kunabanye they did that.
Okay, who do you
But-
think? Okay, mawubheka
Yeah,
ucabantu
other
ababhaya
fans.
yibaphi?
Yeah?
Cabantu ababhaya yibaphi?
Babhaya, babhaya.
Hey, abavele ababesupport i-Sundowns or
Laba, yeah.
I'll say some 50. It's close. I'll say 50-50.
Do you think a true fan, a true fan, ingastop ibhasi like whoa bavalele i-team yabo?
Yeah, bekwatile, but the Chiefs yangena yadestroy ama-stadium.
A true fan.
After masesliwe vele yawe.
Yeah.
It was also
Fan.
back there. It was also back there. Not anymore.
A true fan.
So kuphethe thina manje sina fithi we
So
focus.
I'm a Chiefs fan now. See true fan.
My friend, if you understand it is a true fan, we ask when we are going down together.
Yeah,
10
man.
years. 10 years. Made trophy me.
Mara
Never on
Yes.
any given day. Mbone supporter 1, 2, 3. Nistikhe there.
Yeah.
Omunye nje just because ubone is success. Most of
Ubone
them,
ububuku.
most of them, ungabheka.
Ububuku.
Uvele crack encane. Ucardoso is not a big crack. Ucardoso is not a big crack. The smaller nyana crack, maloses are few. Then Valeri pass. They're not you are a true fan. Nye crack encane.
They're not used to it.
Nye crack.
Yeah, whoa. Usto just said, she said they are not used to it.
Exactly.
They're not used to it. Ufike manje. Kanga support. Same as Man City. Same as Man City.
Thengiwe lonke, kabuyelo nibhayiwe lonke.
Man, there was this other episode that Kaizer Chiefs should have the ultras and the fans should be behind the team.
Yeah.
That's exactly what Sundowns is doing.
So
They're having ultras.
Uhlele office nina nimisi pass. Does that make anything?
Mara,
I am a player.
is it not sending a message to say we're not happy? I mean, I'm not supporting it. No, don't get me wrong. I'm not supporting But it's sending a message
To who?
in their way
To who?
to the players to be like, we're not happy with this bullshit.
Okay.
We want you to perform better.
It's just one game. So it takes one game for the whole.
It's not one
Squad
game.
of-
It's not one game.
Yeah,
It's
it
not
was-
one
Okay,
game.
no, it
It's
was
not
how many
one
games?
game.
It was how
It's
many
not one
games?
But what game was it?
It was
No,
one
but
game.
it was a big game. It was a big game. It was a big game. It was a
Yeah.
big game.
This game is this season.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This season. They are still on top of the
Wait,
log.
that was this season when they broke the pass.
Yeah.
Not last season. Nah, it was last
I
season.
think it was last
This
season.
It was last season. It was last.
Okay, no, but don't forget last season they were winning.
But no, they were winning, but not. The thing is, Sundowns doesn't have a problem.
Hey.
Sundowns fans are not having a problem with them winning. They're having a problem
With how they-
play.
Yeah.
currently.
Cool.
I'm telling
you,
you.
you can't stop the bus for how the team is
You
playing.
can, my friend.
No.
You can.
That game ababastopela yona bebaluzile.
Against what? Against what?
Badlala nani?
But Sundowns fans right now,
Peter Sundowns fans anisitshele ukuthi benidlala nani beze bethi nafali pass.
azokushaya.
Anginankinga.
But point is back to the biggest team in the last 10 years, right?
Yeah.
In Sundowns, you can see like ngathi bathenga ama-fans. And usually ngokuthenga akulast because now
Yeah, last.
it already sokunama-crack. Already sokunama-crack.
Even ama-crack akhona, sure.
Yeah. Like, because bheka manje.
But ama-futsal last.
They bought Nuno Santos, they bought Rezinho,
Yeah.
they bought who?
You mean this transfer?
Yeah, this transfer in
Yeah, who
Papa
else?
yethu.
Pasadena.
Yeah, no Pasadi.
Pasadena. Can you, let's just
The worst signing ever.
don't give him time.
Ngeke.
Let's just
Ngisho kanje, Gonzalez.
yeah. Let's just
Gonzalez benisho
But
kanje.
then are you worst signing?
let's just use
Ngeke
Rezinho.
sikubhaye kuphika ufike yo.
No, let's use Rezinho no Nuno Santos. Honestly speaking, if we look at the way things are happening, Nuno Santos is not close to quality Ribeiro.
He is close.
No,
He is
no,
He is
you know
close.
what's happening?
He is close.
Ngathini ukubabhitha.
Yeah, my
yeah.
So what's happening? Whoa,
Give Sanchez credit.
whoa. What's happening here is you guys are so
Actually,
you want to prove
No,
ukuthi
no.
animncenga Ribeiro to that point.
no.
You're putting Nuno Santos in a pedestal like nimbeka da.
I just want to say something.
Yeah.
Did you see Santos' goal against Dortmund is put on the Puskas Award?
Santos
Or Ribeiro.
Yeah. Fuck.
Yeah,
Ribeiro.
yeah.
Ribeiro's goal.
Yeah,
is
yeah.
nominated for the Puskas Award.
Yeah.
And Santos didn't even credit it. Because you see, other teams when they
Yeah.
just
Yeah, because you know what they're playing.
but he scored it. Yeah, he scored it when he was playing for Sundowns. Yes. But I just found it funny.
No,
you know.
They are bitter exes. Bitter exes.
But I
Wait.
give Nuno
No,
the credit.
I'm not saying Santos is not good, right? No.
Yeah.
No, I'm not saying. Listen,
Okay.
yeah.
Do you think
Ribeiro took time.
Santos
Yeah.
stands a chance over player of the season?
Yeah, he
In
does.
the next coming
He's done.
2 years.
He does. He does.
But they are
In terms of talent, the talent that he's displaying currently and
No,
the players that-
the Chiefs.
Right now. Right now.
Wait. Ribeiro.
Yeah.
Ukuthi bambone ukuthi hayi shaya isibani. Ilya goal yakhe against the Pirates, mathatha ibhola center wathi
Even against the Chiefs,
that's
against the
when he made a
Chiefs.
statement ukuthi bafethu
Against the Chiefs, washaya
I'm not
igoli
saved by
elinye.
lucky. Ngishaya ispa. And the Pirates fans couldn't hate.
After how long though? After how?
No.
So you
That's
want
why you want to play of the
you
season.
want
If-
Nuno Mendes to do it now?
It was last
Yeah.
He can't do it now. He has
No,
to.
but I'm saying
Ah,
Said Nuno Mendes.
He's Portuguese, so you're fine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Nuno Santos boy.
I'm a team like I'm exposer.
Yes, and you guys, same guy,
Ah,
Ngati he has already done something close to Ribero's level.
Yeah.
It's not even close.
Whatever he's doing is still enough to put him there.
What is he doing? What is he doing?
Yeah.
Goals is
How many goals does he have? I was actually looking at his stats today. He's played so many games. That guy.
I think
Like-
it's 4 goals.
Boy, he's gonna improve.
He's gonna improve.
Yes,
And he's still-
he is gonna improve.
Yeah.
So imagine you guys are putting someone who is gonna improve
But
to
we
the
can-
same level as Ribeiro.
But we can see what he's doing.
So
But it's-
is it better than Urubero?
No, it's not.
Let's not over elaborate on Nuno Santos no Ribeiro. But since Ngati is time of comparing people and all their past,
Yeah.
Mzanti's number 1 versus Mzanti's old number 1.
Yeah.
Who has a better career history?
That's a better career between the two.
Yeah, basically.
Between Kune and Williams.
Yeah, between Williams. Better career
Which
history.
career would you choose?
Yes, actually, which career would you choose?
Yeah, Williams.
Code.
No, wait. I when you say which career would you choose, it's kind of easy, it's kind of easy.
yeah.
Who has a better
Yeah.
career history between Itumeleng Kune and Ronan Williams?
Now it's Williams.
It's so cool.
In terms of whole career, obviously, when we say career, we including Bafana, nationality, and obviously how far you compete, how many trophies you win with your team, things like that. So, yeah,
It's good,
so it's all looking
team.
good for Kuno in that regard because.
But okay, wait. Who has more caps?
It's so cool.
But obviously, Williams can also get more caps.
Yeah, but
Sure.
as we speak, currently, you speak about now.
Yeah, but remember, Kuno is retired.
Yeah, but okay,
you can't
but-
use
yeah.
caps as.
No, but also Williams can get an injury. Kera keep Eli Pele same. That's what you're saying to me right now.
But Kuno is retired and is
Yes,
more.
when we're talking about
Sure.
the current,
Yeah.
current.
Is Williams still not?
Yes,
active?
the active Williams versus the retired Kuno who had a better as of 2025 November 25th, 24th, who has a better career history between
Going
the
to
two.
2007.
Yes,
7.
6.
Yeah, when Pune started.
Yeah, oh, I'm thinking 2027. 2027.
That's I knew it.
Yeah, like who has cause now
wait.
in terms of Bafana, we can argue what, but Williams has won nothing.
even
Bafana.
has Kuno won any?
No,
No, they are both at
wait,
zero. They are both
wait,
at zero.
wait,
But who
wait.
has taken Bafana further?
Wait.
Who has
Wait.
taken Bafana
Wait.
further?
We are waiting. We're waiting.
The question is, who had a better career?
Yeah.
You said Williams.
Yeah.
Why?
I'm just telling you now.
Don't tell us who has taken Bafana further.
But that means you have
that
a better career because now you.
Okay.
Williams has
Williams.
Wait. Williams has achieved more than Kune at Bafana. Facts.
What has Williams achieved?
A bronze medal.
That's it.
Best goalkeeper. of
Best,
the-
yeah, bronze medal.
Yeah.
He has taken Bafana to the World Cup. Yeah,
Best goalkeeper of the tournament. AFCON.
exactly. Best.
Golden Glove.
To tell you the funny story.
Yeah, what the guy said best goalkeeper at the AFCON.
Do you know besides trophies, personally, trophies that has been won by Williams?
Yeah.
Uwawine Sekaku Sundowns.
Yeah.
So are you trying to tell me what you are comparing umuntu obene? I think it more than 7 years the Sundowns. You are comparing that short spell against an entire career of
Yeah.
Ukuni.
Yeah.
So-
he has done more on that short span. He's achieved more. That's short span. That should tell you something.
That's it.
Okhune-
Once you see someone adjusting there, something is coming, he's cooking something, he's adjusting.
Okhune. I'm gonna ask you based on what Khune has won. Newcomer of the season. As a goalkeeper, Williams, how far was he close to that trophy? Okay, fine.
Was the trophy still there?
It's
When
still
we
there,
have-
of it.
no,
But
no.
in your man newcomer, they're still there. They're
No,
still
it's
there.
not there.
Our
Nah.
newcomers, they're still there.
I'm still trying to think who won the newcomer.
No, like
No, but
it's young player.
yeah, it's
Now
young player, yeah,
Still there.
it's young player.
Still there. Still young player.
Mhm.
Wazokhuluma into ongayazi. Check your facts right, man.
Yeah.
So, how far was Williams?
Williams, no. Remember?
Sisahamba, siyabaya.
Oh, Chabangi, wait, give him time. Let him cook.
Yeah. So
Careers don't start the same though.
exactly.
Okay, so the end of the career. Umuntu owina ama trophies
How you
nge-end.
finish. Yeah, how you finish is the important part.
Nah, not really.
It is. How you finish.
In football, how you finish is the important part.
Yeah. You can score 5 goals first minute, but at the end, if you lose 10-0, then what?
We're not talking about a 90 minutes game here. We're talking about a career slow.
Career.
So you're telling me right now if Messi retires, MLS is going to be useless because he finished at his weak club, weak league. Does that make sense to you? Doesn't make sense.
It's not that, but
Doesn't make sense.
the thing is, we're taking a whole career,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and obviously,
And you
Like
guys
I
are
say-
basing a career based on one trophy.
what one trophy?
Le I win we Africa or what of the tournament.
Queen,
That is the-
Queen
no.
has never touched that trophy.
So-
He has
so-
never-
so-
he's
so-
still-
so-
he's still
Wait,
dreaming of
What's
touching.
just that trophy.
Even nomination.
Okay.
He's never been
Yeah,
top
he's
five.
never.
But slow, that was true.
So what are you
Okay,
basing
okay.
that
How
on? The
how
one-
close is Williams
you
to ukuthola a
the thing
player
is,
of the
the
season as a goalkeeper? How close is he?
He's
very
close.
He's very close.
Wait, it's
Okay,
close to what?
when you're saying close, based on this season,
I bet.
do you think this season he stands a chance?
No, it doesn't.
So how? What do you mean it's close?
I'm saying
if this season is far.
Okay,
His chances are declining.
He's
His chances are
now
declining.
far, but you're saying
You're supposed to win it,
because he's supposed to be limiting whatever he was doing in the past to now. Ugutu shoot is close, but now he's doing useless mistakes. A mistake, even a
Stage, humility.
like even a dead corpse can do better than what Williams is doing.
what?
I'm telling you,
That's why he has
No.
more trophies in the last 10 years of this generation.
comparing him against Umtobesa retired, but it's
Mara, that's what you were doing now when I was asking you.
But, okay, Ukune had his time. Ukune has his
Uche.
had his time to get those trophies.
no.
You guys-
No,
let me just
Ukune-
ask someone
comparing
who-
career ka Khune and career ka Williams. Williams, Ukune won something as a young player. Williams faced.
Let's
Ukune has won player of the season. Williams has failed. Ukune has won player of the tournament. With MT, with
Let's ask
Telkom.
ChatGPT here.
Exceptional. And plus, to check, Williams, Ukune has more Bafana caps.
Uyenzeni ngamakeps akhona? Akazange.
Mamela. We are talking, wait, we are talking personal.
Naku World
Yes.
Cup, bafika nje.
Yeah, he has more clean sheets.
Second card to World Cup. Yeah, because I remember against, I don't know which game was it? Against,
Wathi nakudlala u-
yeah, Minip Joseph.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Nothing to show for it. Like,
No, like,
nothing to show for it. Ngala all my caps. Like nothing.
okay, unema clean sheets up.
What did he do?
Williams. I think Williams has less games played. But it difference between goals conceded by Ukune and goals conceded by Williams.
By the way,
Traumatized.
Williams was our goalkeeper against Nigeria in the AFCON 2019. When Williams was there.
When Williams also goalkeeper consider 5 goals ku single match
Against France.
against France. He was the one.
You are.
So like, whoa.
So you're gonna judge?
Whoa! Oh, nani ngeke red card yemeche one seni judge goalkeeper wami. Yena 5. His chance of firearm. Like if that's a full clip.
Actually, guys, I'm looking at the 2019 squads AFCON. What is this?
Let me see.
This is haram that I'm seeing
His
this.
chance of firearm.
It is Okano. Line up. Ronan Williams. Left back. I think this thing is a hard match. I forgot now. It was boys, I don't even know how we made it that far. Yo, let me go back. Yes, boys. I come by the nation. Yes. I hear your Bruce, I apologize. What is this? So it's Special Land.
Yeah, left back.
Hlatjwa. Tyson.
Oh, Jehovah.
Mkhwanazi.
That was the pit face.
Yeah.
Back line.
Ubuhle Mkhwanazi.
Yeah.
Right back, obvious. Samson Nomkhize. Khoshile.
Kids, we kept on saying.
Yeah.
No, but you don't remember him being in the starting 11.
And I don't
In
remember.
midfield, Dean Fairman, Zungu, Mukojo.
Mukojo.
Yeah.
Mutiba, Lodge, Pesita. Bench.
Who know
Buma.
last
Buma.
vet what was?
Buma.
Buma. Bruce Buma. Is it not? Yeah, Bruce Buma was there in the lineup.
Crazy.
Daniel Cardoso, Kit, Flompokekana, Mabui, Mabunda, Maela, Mphahlele, Serrero, Vedvik, Lagazi, Thembazwane.
But it wasn't bad, boy.
I was.
It wasn't bad.
Do you know why I'm saying space?
So-
compare this quality and the quality that we have now. Now
So we are going to go to-
But let me.
You
Cause
still good Omunye
No,
had to
no,
switch
it
our
wasn't-
teams to get recognition. As
it wasn't bad.
But Williams was there.
It wasn't
He
bad.
was our goalkeeper. The goalkeeper was Williams number 1.
Because wait,
Buma,
Mukojo,
and Kit.
that midfield is not Zungu, Fairman,
Uzungu, wait, Uzungu
Pesita.
Bongani Zungu. How else would I remember him?
Benten.
Uzungu at that time was on
Yeah.
fire. Was on fire.
No.
Uzwane
Same
was
range,
still
oh,
there.
Rangers, right?
Yeah.
What are they,
Rangers,
Ah, yeah.
yes. So it was cooking.
Mm.
But boys, actually, I feel like this
It was
Ethiopian
fire.
it's taking us nowhere. You guys are
Yeah.
failing to make your cases.
No, but
What do you think? You?
Me personally,
Yeah.
how?
Itumelo Nkune.
Okune Hofetu.
Because I believe
How?
Williams is like is part of a golden generation, you know.
Yeah,
Like
but-
he's not exposed in terms of Bafana.
yeah.
He got to a well and properly structured Bafana. I'm exposed.
So yeah,
Ukhune- Ukhune nje was part of a dying Bafana or a dead one. You understand what I mean? So he was exposed.
yeah, I get that.
He was
but
exposed.
also-
That he has proved
Exposed.
But remember, the question was who was better?
Better career
Yeah,
history.
yeah. Who has?
Currently,
Not who is better.
yeah, yes.
Who is
Currently,
better career.
I am still on Itumeleng's side until Williams wins something with Bafana. It may be AFCON, it may be
But
whatever.
Nkune hasn't won anything with Bafana.
Yes, but
But
for you
But Williams got the third bronze medal.
that's not winning.
Yeah, it's not winning, but
you guys,
it's
Until he wins something.
but you guys,
Coming
you
close
know
is
Ugutu
nothing.
Williams, you're only making ama cases working
Based on one
No.
tournament.
yeah, besides one based on international level.
How?
No, that's what you guys are
wait.
basing on.
Let me just
Because you can pick it up and say,
let's go. Look at it.
The trophy then
Yeah.
actually get recognition. Yeah, AFCON.
But
Yeah.
you can also
Yeah.
say Nkune
But
has played
only-
for a big team, A1 for his country.
Yeah. So on that point, I want to make you to understand something, right? Do you think Mamelodi Sundowns is a bigger and better club than Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, based on the fact that they went to Club World Cup and then they played how they played and they got recognition more than us?
Yeah, they are.
So are they a bigger club than Chiefs and Pirates just because of that fact?
Bigger in the last 10 years, yeah.
No, in history.
Remember, remember this thing just happened recently.
Yeah, it started
With
now.
more time going,
Sabang, no.
with more time going, then Sundowns will definitely
No,
be bigger than.
We're talking about now. We're talking about now. We're talking
The
about
trophy
now.
then you recognition ayikhala ukuvela nini?
The best goalkeeper.
Yeah, yona leyo ukuthi uthole
Hmm.
goalkeepers ethole country in recognition na overseas ukuthi a nominate nabo against our Martinez and
Yeah,
everything.
Yeah,
exactly. And when I-
But you couldn't over.
He wasn't gonna carry it even if though.
Ah,
Okay,
that
wait,
is a
wait.
lie.
Tabang.
he wasn't-
Oh, wait.
That is fair.
Tabang. Tabang, who is our best player, Tabang?
Who was
Just imagine.
who was what?
Back then, it during Kun's time,
Yeah.
who was our best player, the best player, best, unstoppable. Walendo Wade, who was our best player at Mzansi?
Best Lemzansi.
Yeah, best.
During Kune era.
Yeah, that time.
I'd say
Kun.
A player. So do you think you
say Teko Modise,
No,
and-
don't forget Williams who nominated only as a goalkeeper, not as a player overall. So
Yeah.
he's a goalkeeper.
no. Besides goalkeeper, I just want you as a player.
Yeah, I'd say
Tiko Modise.
yeah.
Ah, but fair.
That's the best that you can do. That was our best player.
No, open.
Nah,
Open
man.
my
Yeah,
mouth,
Teko
Nah,
Modise,
yeah, I'm telling you,
Chabalala.
So do you think those guys right now?
See, yeah. Who's this? Serrero. But
Yeah,
Serrero wasn't
Chulan.
playing.
Yeah, that was- so-
he wasn't playing in here.
Yeah,
but he was
point is,
Mzansi's
do you
best
think
player.
those guys were they better than Pesitao, Limesans?
That was fire.
Pesita Mzansi.
No, not out abroad. Pesitao, Limesans.
Peak Pesita.
Yeah, peak Pesitao, Limesans versus peak Teko Modise.
I'm taking Teko Modise.
Yes. So, but do you realize that Pesitao got more recognition than Teko Modise abroad? Do you know that?
Paris didn't want to let go of what's this?
Yeah, but
Teko Modise.
the recognition Pesitao got it was way more than Teko Modise. Do you know why?
Had he left, well, we don't know.
No,
Yeah,
but
no.
we're talking about what happened. Do you know why?
Yeah.
Do you know why?
Marketing a team.
No, do you know it's the times. Now abroad they're looking Mbappe at this side.
But if you check,
Look at Umboraz. No, like now, as long as you are young and you play, we are fine.
but
If
look at this.
Itumeleng Kune played right now, a 19-year-old goalkeeper like that, because of I. Guaranteed. Because of I, Itumeleng Kune.
But it got,
Ah,
I think-
man.
But it was the times back then they didn't allow. Like going abroad wasn't something that was normalized. You understand?
Yeah, I get
it's only
that.
a select
I get
few
that.
players that managed to
but
break that.
if you check, man,
Yeah.
back then, Mzansi had more players playing for big teams abroad than now.
Big
Now,
teams like which players?
like Tottenham.
Which players are those?
Steven Pienaar.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Steven Pienaar,
but-
edlalele Ajax. Then there was this guy who edlalele Everton.
Who?
In terms of Tottenham, wadlala uBongani Khumalo.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
And Menu also had a South African player. Like
how many?
they were
Oh,
playing for big teams.
Uh-uh.
Now they are going abroad.
Do you know-
but are they
do you know-
playing for any
oh,
very big
no.
teams?
those players
My
that you're
friend,
saying.
do you know Quinton Fortune?
Mm.
He just went there to. That's why.
But they got recognition. That's what I mean. Like they were
So,
still looking.
One day you will know the reason why he got that recognition. One day you will know.
So
Because now you're just saying because you got to know what he played for Menu, but when you check his stats, you will ask yourself
But
how.
my point is,
He was a defender, though.
No, but
He
my
was a
point
strike.
is, he point
He was a
time
strike.
and-
Oh,
He was a strike. Exactly, but no one can mention him on one of the best
I'm
strikers in
coming-
Zans.
the reason why I'm saying that.
So,
The reason why I'm
a
saying
player
that-
who plays abroad is the worst compared to
Let's
the
look
players
it
that-
up. Let's look it up.
The point here, that's why am I bringing this up?
Yeah.
Like in terms of recognition, it's not that they are not looking; they
Yeah.
are looking. Right now, you can argue and say they are looking for a spotlight, say Mzansi, because I feel like everything that Mzansi is doing is under the everyone. The marketing structure is high. Like
Yes.
everyone is trying to pick up something from Mzansi, because
Yeah.
in not only on football, it's happening on everything. You can argue with that, but recognition has always been there. They've
But-
always looked.
Exactly. But
That's why we go to play against our Tottenham, against Barcelona, against those teams that they were able to come and play pre-season games.
but that was a sponsorship thing.
Yeah,
But-
but now we no longer get those. We
Nah,
play
because
against
it-
second divisions
do,
there.
do you know why it's
Yeah.
like that? It's because us as a league, we are not actually at a point of agreeing. In fact, we are no longer agreeing with it. We are small. Because if we can go to Club World Cup and perform the way we performed, that means we are now better. Because what
So you agree Sundowns performed well?
I'm talking about it's South African.
Somebody is waiting. It's waiting to pass. It was waiting.
Because I was coming to the point of which if a South African team was able to qualify, but Man U failed to qualify for a Club World Cup, that means South African football now has recognition. So why would we invite a team FA to qualify to the trophy qualifier live? So now that's how different it is. You cannot call a broke Barcelona broke. Yes, I'm sure bazokhala I'm a flight fee and everything. So it's no longer happening because sometimes can actually say, or Chiefs or Pirates can say, we have man is got this fight.
But will they agree?
They won't because they are protecting themselves. Sabanga, if we Chiefs or Sundowns or Pirates say Teli or Yamalindu, like so we are now.
Let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it up. Before we wrap it up, I just have one more question. Pick Matoho versus pick Nascimento. It's a good question. Pick Eric Mloyanda Matoho versus Nascimento. Yeah,
but at
the peak Nascimento.
No, you can't say Mato had a small run.
No, but like
Okay, his greatest time.
Okay, Nascimento, how big was it?
a longer one.
Mato had a longer one.
No, Nascimento Kulmangai.
Yeah.
Which one?
Nascimento was Sundowns.
Was Sundowns? Yeah.
Kata number 3 from the
Vampire or figure wins that guy.
Chukatadla, Nascimento actually winning Kef. Winning Kef, Katadla like a good Kef.
Yeah, but okay, after go Vav Upito.
Yeah, after Pito was like
after P.
Asha no Rivaldo Kozi.
Yeah.
Maguire moment and more.
Yeah, but I'm talking about the peak.
The top was
I'm talking about the peak.
We calf.
It was small.
Yeah, sure.
I didn't know that. I didn't
Did you know that? Did you know that?
Mato, his peak was.
So you can say
That
Piquet was
season-
small. That is a lie. Careful.
That season, like along the Fumashamai, I'd say that was Mato's peak.
peak season.
Yeah.
It ran up until what joined Nabo Nukovic.
That season.
That-
So you cannot say Umato.
Hey, what is nah, but
Guys
Tabang
are here disrespecting.
Nah.
Like I feel like I should
with-
leave right now.
with
We are disrespecting Umato.
with what you call with Ichemen Shepherd with our coach man.
Meet and top.
Ernst Mitodov.
Who was his partner there?
It was
Maybe
shit up.
no.
no problem at the end now was floating in.
Mato.
Right back.
Center back.
Yeah.
The Mato, they still passed the Mato when he had the Fumashamite. That pairing was boy. The
Okay,
Fumashamite Mato.
so you're saying peak power is better than Nascimento.
I'll say this.
Kevin Nascimento.
You were Nascimento. I said Nascimento has a more backs of season than Mato.
But
So if you are saying he pick Kamato,
Who is the better pick?
then Nascimento was big. That means Nascimento was better.
You don't understand. Peak boys Buddha is the highest level. Whose highest level is higher than the other one?
Exactly.
but Petit Kamali Asho Tower.
So Svuda, doesn't matter how long you played for. Maybe you could have played for 10 years, but that if you played for 10 years and Freeman's peak was just for that 1 year.
No. So listen,
And-
if my 1 year peak
Yeah.
was like it contributed maybe into me scoring 10 goals, and then yours,
Yeah.
your 5-year peak.
I scored three.
Let
That
me not
means
say
your
three.
that
Let me
means
say
your peak
five,
is
five,
that
five,
means
five.
your peak is better than mine because we're talking about peak performance. It's peak.
So something you're saying Nascimento over Mato. Peak.
If you're taking, it's close, boy. It's
Sabang, answer the question.
I'm still thinking.
Okay. Think.
No, I'm
think.
thinking and talking. So I'm,
You know what Tabang does? He never wants to answer. Tabang he doesn't through the answers. It's like he's saying Nascimento, but he's leaving room for Mato as well.
No, it's
Pick
not-
one.
it's not that,
Pick
with
one.
Nascimento, you don't even know which era was his peak?
Nah, no.
Which one?
The CAF season.
You know,
Chill.
The CAF when
Umatoho une
Ah.
peak for every generation.
which one now?
Each generation yabo Tef knowledge Mson waba ne peak. Or ababheka uNukovic they will say we saw a peak kama
Ah, that wasn't Mato's peak.
It was.
Mato,
boy.
Mato.
I felt it.
Ah,
I felt
man.
it.
The one with the zebra
Yeah,
zebra
Fela
shirt.
Chabang, the team was cooking on its own.
The zebra shirt.
Yeah, but the team was
boy,
cooking.
That's Mato, boy.
Not on the league.
Aye, boy. The zebra shirt.
These boys. You guys
The
didn't
zebra
watch.
shirt.
You guys didn't
Okay,
watch.
man, wait,
Ah.
zebra shirt, you mean which one?
The
Lega Nokovic.
no, not Yaganokovic, man. Like, yes, zebra, man.
Oh.
Like, left black, yellow. and-
Oh,
Ah,
ukhuluma which one?
ile.
No, there is that one there in a box. Yeah, about number 3. Oh, Lily. Yeah.
Oh, the first season yakhe.
Yeah.
Ah, I know.
But I just have to say, I miss Nakovic.
Ah,
I miss Nakovic. I know it's out of context, but
yeah.
I will go God.
Oh,
Take me back to those days.
Ngiyakuthola weke.
I know. Mangibuya.
At the end of the day, we won nothing.
That is you being.
But
that is you.
Uzophuma.
I'm saying, wait, let me show you wait this
Uzophuma.
we'll just put it there guys for you. This season this Mato wait.
Yeah.
This Mato is so but in terms of peak way I'll have to
Ayithabanga ukhulume now.
nah, wait.
Unini
I'll have to say Nascimento way.
Who are you saying?
Are you saying it because you want to say it, or you are saying it because you just feel like you have to say it?
I'm saying because I saw Nascimento. Nascimento was class. Nascimento was something else. Nascimento was too good. Nascimento was
Okay.
too good.
What was he better than our friend Rivaldo Kuzieto?
Oh yeah, boy.
Because there was
He
the
is.
midfield.
In
But
terms of center, he
but
played-
it's
he
not
played
back
up- yeah,
in
he
the but me I prefer Kutie boy.
Oh. No, but
no.
you can't compare.
Not-
No, so we are cool.
No, I'm saying, guys, you Kutie was
Because I was playing out of position, my
okay, sharp.
Ah,
So forgiveness.
Hey,
Whoa. So when I swear we are Muro Yandao.
the towering man. Mulomo
Yandao.
our top goal scorer.
Ah,
Half top goal scorer.
South African head.
Taban?
Yeah.
Those boy. So we are saying Mato. Example force. So it's Nascimento over Mato.
Yeah.
Spuda, you're saying Mato over Nascimento.
What are you saying?
I won't delay without.
Due to the fact that I love Kutie over Nascimento, I'm going to choose Mato. Don't ask me for an explanation. But, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. No explanations needed. No explanations needed.
Yeah.
Nico Maurice pure Shabala.
Everyone was a chicken.
You guys, slow. Let me start. I'm going to start with slow. Slow background. Nico Maurice pure Shabala.
Tico, everyone was a chicken.
Don't explain. Nico Maurice pure Shabala.
Tico.
Tabang. Nico Maurice, don't answer same time. Nico Maurice pure Shabala.
Start there.
Nico Maurice pure Shabala.
All day.
Nico Maurice pure Shabala.
Oh.
Nico Maurice pure Shabala.
Yes.
Oh, it's
Matter what you say.
Shabalala.
Then
Anything.
matter what you say.
Now I'm choosing based on hairstyle. Everyone was Tico.
Tico-
Tico head everyone.
Okay, Tabang.
Teko Mdise Chabalala.
Yeah, fast.
Fuck.
Tabang.
In terms of what peak or play.
Nico Maurice pure Shabala. Choose
Uzocontrola
one.
umfazi wena. Uzocontrola umfazi. Wenza ama decision wakho uzocontrola umfazi.
Tabang.
Yes, yeah.
1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Chabalala.
Yeah. Okay, we move. Pesitao kama Pilat.
Billiard.
Pesitao kama Pilat.
Billy.
Yeah.
Space Town kama Pilato.
Billiard. Neymar.
Space Town ni Pilato wa ni ahlanya kanti.
Billiard.
Pili,
Billiard.
Space Town.
Pili,
Lion of Judah.
you know Pili,
Any day.
you know
I
Pili
hate Neymar and Mahrez on his
Ah,
both.
perfect.
and Ronaldo celebration too.
Space Town.
Eh,
But it's fine.
Pili,
We said no explanation is
Pili.
needed. You said no explanation is needed.
Yeah.
No explanation is needed. That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Pili,
Billiard.
I'm thinking of players. Like players with let me see.
Doli.
Mabu,
Erasmus.
Let me just ask this one.
Yeah.
Omanyisa Letsolonyana.
yeah.
you are such a hater.
Opamanyis, but Opamanyis.
Your future is not right.
Opamanyis. I had Opamanyis.
Omanyis.
Opamanyis.
You are such a hater.
Opamanyis.
For me, I'll say Letsolonyane for this one.
Hey.
Letsolonyane one. Letsolonyane was
Gives you a
underrated.
pass.
Letsolonyane.
Here's another one. Salulile. Knowledge Muswan.
Oh,
Salulile. Knowledge Muswan.
fair too.
Ashaluli.
In terms
The
of
smiling
peak
assassin.
Musona, boy. In terms of peak
The
Musona.
smiling
no one's
assassin.
touching Musona.
If you know the
Musona
smile, you
speak.
know the
Yeah.
smile.
Musona.
Yeah.
When you go in the
Smile.
no one. Wait.
Yeah.
That nigga was.
Muswan.
Smiling assassin.
So if
He,
he went
he was unmatchable.
Dominated when Becca
Musona.
smiling assassin.
The students to say,
Number 21.
Broke his record, man.
which record?
Top goal scorer.
Aren't you you spoke about Mbesuma's record
Oh, yeah,
and
it's Bissouma, no?
Yeah.
that guy. What's that guy? There's two of these guys. Mbesuma and Bani. I know.
No, man.
No.
Yeah, I don't know. But I don't understand.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Now it's quick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rocky Kropler.
Rob.
Crop.
We're still witnessing the man. So,
Peak. Sikhuluma nge-peak. Rocky Kropler.
probably Ipiki Agaza's not being because he's still scoring this.
Yeah.
Bafethu Rocky.
Yeah, but yeah.
Uprocky.
The guy was disappointed. Now we have Sundowns.
Nobody will.
Alex disappointed.
And I no excuse.
I don't see it.
Just okay, guys. Hey.
Oh.
Sure.
I mean, I understand. I understand why vampire though.
Yeah, but when you
What you did?
I understand why vampire. Uphethe vampire to eliminate the competition kuthiwane derby.
Yeah.
yeah.
Because yes, as a super sport beyiza.
I wish
I was fire.
I wish man.
I'm going to compare our goalkeeper.
My friend.
There's no goalkeepers in Mzansi.
As long as there is the competition.
But there is one. Kevin Hunt, Steve compared.
Ngeke
Kevin Hart.
ungawini ku. Ungawina
The philosophy, man. I think that's quite big. Okay, so you guys are saying you take
The philosophy of the football is so sophisticated that it can complement and debug the participation of the players and the opponents that try to escalate the situation into the dividential of the orchestrated way. Omunye isingisi kuphela. Hayi khona. Hayi.
fuck. Okay. Just let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it up.
Yeah.
Wrapping it up.
Guys, thank you for being with us today. Wonderful episode. Great thoughts shared between the two. Because I was a ghost today. So great thoughts, Taban. What do you have to say?
Nothing from my side. Yeah, nothing from my side. It's just-
Good. I know you, man. Take us home.
I know you guys in the comment section will say another one is an international goalkeeper, another one is a local. That is a useless excuse. Never come up with that thing. It is useless. Useless.
Umfana wejinja, osh.
Go and tell it to yourself when you are sleeping. With the other one is an international, the other one is local. Still, Kune is the best.
Local.
Like it or not.
And we love you guys. Please subscribe, follow us, like, comment, tell us what you think.
Share, subscribe. If you see me and you want a picture, you know what to do.